Hello, this is how we drive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you very basic thing of MacBook Pro, any version of your Mac you have from M1 to M4. This is M4 MacBook. So a special thing I'm going to talk about the MagSafe charger. When you connect this MagSafe charger, this is MacBook Air M4 version in this case. So whenever you connect this charger here, let's see, you see here. So when you want to take this out, it doesn't come because this is safe charger. It will hold your machine if it falls or something as this, but it's magnetic, it's very tight, and when you pull this off you may break this one. Here is very soft, the cord here, if you pull very strong you can break this. If you use another, you can charge also with C port, for example. To avoid future problem, you can charge also with C ports, fine. But very easy way you can take this off. I don't know, I was investigating for months from this, because every time I tried to take this off this way, that way, I couldn't take this off totally very easy. So finally I find it out by myself. If you press down as this, it will take out very easily. Put here at, and if you press up the same way, you can take out very easily. You can try this way. You see so much hard. I tried couple of days this way, but I felt maybe I'm gonna break this one. But if you see here, soft, very gentle, comes out without any problem. Interesting, guys, lovely. So this is the way you can take out your MagSafe charger very gently, with softly by your hand without damaging your cable. Okay, this way, very easy. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.